Hey guys, it's Lilia here, and I'm going to show you how to drive a manual 10-speed transmission. Well, an 18-wheeler. So, here we go. This is something that I used when I was learning. You get a pin, and this is to mimic the shifter. Alright? And before I get into that, actually, let me just explain double clutching to you. This down here is your clutch. Okay? That is just like a regular vehicle. This is your gas pedal. That's your accelerator. Here is your shifter. There's some brakes there and another brake here. We're going to keep it simple. We're focused on shifting right now. So, that is called your clutch brake. That is when you're going to, this is what you're going to be doing most of the time. See the difference with that? All the way down and then just barely, there's a little bit of give in that pedal. And then you want to push a little bit past that give point. And double clutching, you're going to hit that twice. Whenever you're going, let's say here about 0 to 15 miles per hour, you're most of the time going to be going really quick. It's going to be like this. Clutch, clutch. Okay? But whenever you're going anything above that, depending on how heavy you are, it's going to be clutch, clutch, more like that. Okay? So I mean, but in the lower gears, you're going to want to do it real quick. Okay? And so here's how it's going to go. If you're going to want to, anytime you're going to be starting out, you're going to want to go clutch brake. That's the time that whenever you're picking your first gear. Okay? Usually it's going to be the second or third gear. Say we're in second. You're going to want to double clutch to third gear. Okay? So think of it like opening the door. Okay? Open the door. Take it out of gear. And then after you take it out of gear, you let go. And then you push it back in and you go into the next gear. That is double clutching. Okay? And then whenever you are going to be downshifting, it's a little bit different because you're going to want to go from third to second. You're going to want to go, same thing here, you're going to want to go just a little bit in with the clutch, out of gear. But in order to go down, you're going to want to bring your RPMs up. You always want to bring them up to around 15, okay? So you're going to hit your accelerator just a little bit. You don't have to really stomp on it or, get it really way up there. I mean, you can catch a gear that way, but it's kind of, just barely hit it, okay? Bring your RPMs up to around 15 and then shift into your lower gear, okay? That is double clutching. Now, what I wanted to show you was this pattern here. So I wrote the miles per hour. So, and this is just, there are different variables to this, okay? This is just to give you a basic to help with like a memory aid. So 0 to 1 mile per hour is first gear. 1 to 3 is second gear. 3 to 5 miles per hour is third gear. 5 to 8 miles per hour or under 10 miles per hour, that's fourth gear. And 8 to 12 or around 10 miles per hour is fifth gear. And then good life hack for these higher gears, 15 miles per hour, you take the 1 and you add it to the 5, 15, 1 plus 5 equals sixth gear. Same thing all the way down, 25, 35, 45, 55, and it's by the 5, okay? 2 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10th gear. 55 miles per hour and above is going to be in 10th gear. Alright, and then like I said, just take your pen, put it in here, and then that will help you. Now remember, there's going to be a spring right here. So you have to push against that spring to get it over into first gear. Or if you put your splitter up, I forgot to show you the splitter. You put your splitter up in order to go into sixth gear, okay? There's a spring there, you got to push against that, okay? And then other than that, it goes straight up into second and seventh and straight down into 8th and 3rd. You can kind of push it, you see? There's no spring. Spring, pushes back, no spring. Okay? Alright. I hope that helps you out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to work for Melton, please use my driver code. It is PARLI. My name is Lilia Park. If you would like to see another video of some sort, let me know. I will be happy to accommodate.